Hey, what's up, John Hanson students? Mr. Torres coming in again, moving right along here. We got the nose and the mouth done. Today we're gonna move on to the ears. So I'm gonna give you a measurement technique like I did for the nose and the eyes. We're gonna give it to you for the ears, okay? We got the placement of the mouth. Remember, it's about halfway between the tip of the first measurement of the nose and the chin, okay? Kind of looks like me. You're not going for your perfection exactly like, but you want to be able to kind of look at it and be like, yeah, that kind of looks like me. That kind of looks like so-and-so. It's your likeness. It's called your likeness, okay? So what I'm going to show you right now is your ears. Now, remember that measurement for your nose? That's going to be about the same as your ears. So your nose and the measurement for your nose, if you move it over, and your ears are going to line up perfectly. Okay, so if I take that measurement, I slide it over, it's going to be about the same length, maybe a little bit more for the ears. So I'm going to use that measurement that I used for the nose, and I'm just going to move over. Okay, I'm not using a ruler. You can use a ruler. Remember, I said it's roughly about 2 inches, but the top of your ear is going to line up with the middle part of your nose, and the bottom of your ear is going to line up with the tip of your nose. Okay, so I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to get the measurement, and then I'm going to line it up first. If you want to use a ruler, again, I can recommend using that, and just move right over. Boom, make your 2 marks, and that is where your ears are going to be located. Remember, if your hair is covering up, that's fine, but I want you to try to put this in there, or try to get what portion of your ears you can see. Okay, remember, we're not doing this. I'm just going to do this. You're not going to see the whole side of the ear. It's not a profile view. It's almost like half that. It's this weird kind of shape with these parts sticking out like that, okay? It's more like that, okay? Some people's ears you might see a little bit more. It depends on how they stick out. Everybody's different, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and draw my ear again. Can't stress this enough. You should be using a mirror. I should be using a mirror. Shame on me. But like I said, I've done this quite a bit, so I can get away with it. You guys really need to be drawing from observation, okay? Get this part. Remember, I already did this in the ear video, so go back. The helix and the anti-helix, that little cartilage part that looks like a curved Y. Everybody has some variation of that, okay? And then pay attention to your earlobe, whether it's like a long lobe in between or just right connects to your face, okay? Those ears look kind of big for me. I actually have smaller ears, but that's okay. I can go back and adjust it. So once I get that placement of the first ear, you're gonna go back in and draw the other ear in there, okay? You can use that paper trick that I showed you. You'd probably be smudging up your paper if you don't put a piece of paper underneath your hand while you're drawing, okay? And then I got the lobule, or lobe for short. You got this little, I forgot some of the names of these things, but it's not that important. The terminology, it's more important that you are drawing it correctly. Okay, so I got all my line work in there. Then I'm gonna go back and shade using the side of my pencil, just like you saw in the ear video that we did a few weeks ago. Same thing, okay? I'm gonna shave the helix to give that dimensionality. Press down darker to get your darker values. Okay. Boom. Okay, there's that first one. So for the next video, I'm gonna try and get myself a mirror and go back and adjust these and like really make it look like Mr. Torres. So you can be like, oh yeah, that does kind of look like Mr. Torres, okay? These are just quick videos. Remember, they're tutorials to show you how to get the basic placement of the facial features. When I draw, I don't draw like this, but it's good when you're learning so you can get the placement. And then I would start to draw some indication of the hair. Okay, we did hairstyles, so you guys, this is where you draw bigger. I got wild hair and I got more gray hairs now, so I have to go back and adjust all that. This is the shaven me. I'll add my mustache later on. my beard. Okay, so that concludes this video. That's placement of the ears. Remember, same as the measurement of the nose. Get the measurement of the nose and just slide it over. Boom, make your mark on one side. Measurement of the nose, boom, slide it over, make your mark on the other side. Roughly about 2 inches, okay? I hope that helps. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and that's pretty much it. See you later.